Hello everyone, welcome to Merit Article. Today, we're about to unveil 15 incredible ways to earn passive income, turning your dreams of making money while you sleep into a reality. But before we dive into these lucrative opportunities, do us a favor, hit that like button to show your excitement, subscribe for more amazing content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a money-making tip. Let's get started. Number 1, Dividend Stocks. Dividend stocks are like the gift that keeps on giving in the world of investing. When you own shares in a company, they often reward you with a share of their profits, which is called a dividend. These dividends can provide a reliable stream of income, almost like a paycheck from your investments. You can use this money for bills, savings, or even reinvest it to grow your investment portfolio further. One clever strategy is to look for companies with a track record of consistent and increasing dividends. It's like choosing a reliable friend who never lets you down. Remember, while dividend stocks can be a smart way to build passive income, it's important to diversify your investments and do your research to make the most of this strategy. Happy investing! Number 2, rental properties. Investing in rental properties is like owning your own money-making machines. Here's the deal. You buy a property, like a house or apartment, and rent it out to tenants. They pay you rent each month, and that's your passive income. This rental income can cover your costs and leave you with extra cash. The real magic: over time, the property can appreciate in value, making it worth more than when you bought it. So, you're making money from rent and the increasing value of the property. It's a powerful wealth-building strategy, but being a landlord comes with responsibilities like maintenance and finding good tenants. Still, it's a tried-and-true way to build wealth over the long haul. Number 3, peer-to-peer lending. Think of peer-to-peer lending as being the bank for everyday people. Here's how it works. You lend your money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. In return, they pay you back with interest over time. It's like becoming a mini banker, earning interest on the money you've lent. The best part? You don't need a giant pile of cash to get started. However, it's important to note that there's a risk involved, as some borrowers may not pay back. So, it's smart to spread your money across multiple loans to reduce risk. Peer-to-peer lending offers the potential for solid returns, but it's essential to do your research and stay diversified for the best results. Number 4, create an online course. Creating an online course is like packaging your knowledge into a money-making asset. Here's how it works. You take what you know, whether it's cooking, coding, or crafting, and turn it into a structured course. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera provide a stage for your course to shine. Students from around the world enroll, and you earn money each time someone signs up. The beauty of this passive income stream is that you do the hard work once, creating the course, and keep reaping the rewards as more students join. Pro tip: invest time in crafting high-quality content, and market your course effectively to attract a larger audience. Number 5, write a book or ebook. Writing a book or ebook is like sharing your wisdom with the world while earning royalties. Here's how it unfolds. You put your thoughts, stories, or expertise onto paper or a digital screen and publish it. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and other platforms offer an avenue for self-publishing. Readers purchase your book, whether it's in print or digital format, and you receive royalties for each sale. As your book gains popularity, the income can become a reliable stream of passive earnings. The key is finding a niche or topic that resonates with your audience. Engaging writing, effective marketing, and getting reviews are essential to boost sales. Remember, writing a book takes time and effort, but once it's out there, it continues to generate income. So, if you have a story to tell or knowledge to share, consider becoming an author and turning your passion into profit. Number 6, invest in REITs. Investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, is like having a stake in real estate without buying property. Here's how it works. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate in various sectors like apartments, malls, or offices. When you invest in REITs, you buy shares of these companies. The magic is that REITs are required by law to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends. So, you get a portion of the rental income they collect from their properties. REITs provide a way to diversify your investment portfolio and benefit from real estate's potential for income and growth. Plus, they offer liquidity since you can buy and sell shares on the stock market. Pro tip: research different REIT types and choose ones that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Number 7. Create a niche website or blog. Creating a niche website or blog is like building a tiny corner of the internet where your passion can turn into profit. Here's how it works. You choose a specific topic you're passionate about, like travel, cooking, or DIY crafts, and start a website or blog focused solely on that topic. This niche helps you stand out in a crowded online world. As you create valuable content and attract readers, you can monetize your site through various means. These include advertising, affiliate marketing, earning commissions by promoting products or services, sponsored posts, or selling digital products like ebooks or courses. The beauty of this passive income idea is that, once your site gains traction, it can continue to generate revenue even while you're not actively working on it. Pro tip: consistency is key. Regularly update your content and engage with your audience to keep them coming back for more. Number 8. Create an app. Creating an app is like having your own digital business in the palm of your hand. Here's how it unfolds. You identify a problem or need, and you design an app to solve it. Whether it's a game, productivity tool, or something entirely unique, the app becomes your creation. Once it's available on app stores like Google Play or the Apple App Store, users can download it. You can monetize your app through in-app purchases, ads, or by offering a premium version. The beauty of this passive income source is that people can download your app anytime, day or night, from anywhere in the world. To keep income flowing, continually update and improve your app based on user feedback and evolving technology. Number 9. License your photography. Licensing your photography is like turning your passion for pictures into a source of passive income. Here's how it works. You have a knack for capturing captivating images. Instead of keeping them to yourself, you can license your photos for use in various media. This can include websites, magazines, advertisements, or even on merchandise like t-shirts or posters. To get started, you can explore online platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. These platforms connect photographers with potential buyers, making it easier to monetize your talent. When someone wants to use your photo, they pay you a fee for the rights to use it. This fee can vary depending on factors like usage, image quality, and exclusivity. The beauty here is that your photos can continue to earn you money long after you've taken them. To maximize your income potential, keep building your portfolio and consider exploring niche markets, specializing in specific types of photography that appeal to potential buyers. Number 10. Buy an existing online business. Buying an existing online business is like stepping into a money-making machine that's already up and running. Here's the scoop. Instead of starting from scratch, you purchase a fully operational online business, which could be an e-commerce store, a blog, or even a software service. The advantage? You skip the initial setup and can start earning right away. Plus, you can benefit from the existing customer base and revenue streams. However, be sure to thoroughly assess the business's financial health and potential for growth before making the leap. A well-established online business can provide a stable source of passive income, but it may require ongoing management and strategic improvements to maximize its profitability and long-term success. Number 11. YouTube channel monetization. Monetizing a YouTube channel is like turning your passion for creating videos into a paycheck. Here's how it works. You create engaging content on a specific topic or niche, building a dedicated audience of subscribers. Once your channel meets YouTube's requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, you start earning money based on your views and audience engagement. To maximize your income, it's essential to diversify your revenue sources and engage with your viewers through comments, live streams, and community posts. The key is to keep producing quality content that resonates with your viewers and attracts advertisers. As your channel grows, you can explore additional revenue streams, such as merchandise sales or premium content offerings. Number 12, Dropshipping. Dropshipping is like running an online store without the hassle of inventory management. Here's the lowdown. You set up an e-commerce store and partner with suppliers who handle product storage and shipping. When a customer orders from your store, the supplier ships the product directly to them, eliminating the need for you to stock inventory. This model allows you to offer a wide range of products without the upfront costs of purchasing and storing inventory. You make a profit by marking up the product's price above what you pay the supplier. However, successful dropshipping requires effective marketing and customer service to build trust with your audience. It's a low-risk way to enter e-commerce, but competition can be fierce. To succeed, focus on selecting reliable suppliers, niche products, and effective marketing strategies to attract customers. Number 13, create a subscription box. Creating a subscription box service is like curating surprise packages of joy for your customers while earning steady income. Here's how it works. You select a niche or theme that aligns with your interests and expertise, such as beauty products, snacks, or books. Each month, you curate a unique collection of items related to your chosen theme and ship them to subscribers. Customers pay a recurring subscription fee to receive your thoughtfully curated boxes, creating a consistent stream of income. To succeed, focus on providing value and delight with each box, encouraging subscribers to stick around and refer friends. Additionally, consider adding exclusive items or limited-time offers to keep subscribers engaged and excited. Number 14, invest in dividend ETFs. Investing in dividend exchange-traded funds (ETFs) is like owning a diversified portfolio of dividend-paying stocks without the need for individual stock selection. Here's how it works. Dividend ETFs pool money from investors to buy a variety of dividend-paying stocks. They offer diversification across multiple companies and industries, reducing risk. The ETFs distribute dividends to investors regularly, providing a consistent income stream without the need to manage individual stocks. This passive income strategy is ideal for those seeking a hands-off approach to dividend investing. To optimize your returns, research different dividend ETFs, consider their expense ratios, and assess their historical performance. While dividend ETFs offer convenience and diversification, remember that they still carry market risk, so it's essential to evaluate your investment goals and risk tolerance. Number 15, peer-to-peer car rental. Peer-to-peer car rental is like turning your vehicle into a money-making asset when you're not using it. Here's how it works. You list your car on peer-to-peer car rental platforms like Turo or Getaround, making it available for rent to people in your area. When someone rents your car, you earn money for the rental duration. It's a simple and effective way to monetize your underutilized vehicle. The key is to maintain your car in good condition and ensure a smooth rental experience. Positive reviews from renters can boost your profile and attract more customers. Additionally, consider offering extras like insurance coverage or complimentary amenities to stand out in the competitive peer-to-peer rental market. Peer-to-peer car rental is a smart way to offset car ownership costs and generate passive income while your vehicle isn't in use. Just remember to check your insurance coverage and local regulations to ensure compliance. Thank you for joining us today on Merit Article. If you found these passive income ideas valuable, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial insights, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. This is Merit Article. See you in the next video.